Good morning. There have been some beautiful sunrises this morning, but for many of us, it is going to be a cloudy day with some patchy drizzle here and there, rain across the north and west of Scotland, where it will also be windy. But for all of us, it's going to be mild. I'll have all the details later in the programme.
That'd be special, wouldn't it, Carol?
Certainly would. You be in Clover, John. Good morning, everybody. There are some beautiful sunrises this morning. The one behind me was taken by one of our weather watchers earlier in Herne Bay. Now, the forecast for many of us today is a cloudy one. It's also going to be mild and breezy, but there's some rain as well. We've got rain, patchy light rain, pushing towards the southeast. It will clear Norfolk into the North Sea in the next wee while. And we're also looking at a lot of cloud, but some breaks developing across parts of England and Wales through the day. But you might just see some drizzle on the hills. These are the dregs of the weather front. And for Northern Ireland, it's a mixture this morning of bright spells and also some sunny spells, but at times a lot of cloud. And we've got the rain across northern and western Scotland. Here too, fairly cloudy and also fairly windy as well. For most, we're looking at blustery conditions with highs today between 10 and about 13 degrees. Into this evening and overnight, this weather front moves north and then it starts to sink south. It's a cold front. Behind it, we'll see cooler air start to move in, some squally showers. But ahead of it, we still are in the milder conditions with a fair bit of cloud. So that's how we start the day as we go through tomorrow. A lot of cloud across England and Wales. We'll see some breaks develop. There'll be some drizzle in some of the hills. Our weather front sinks south out of Scotland into northern England and Northern Ireland through the day. And then behind that, it turns much colder. There'll be showers, wintry on the hills, down to low levels later in the day across the Northern Isles, where there will also be gales. But this is the dividing line between the colder air in the north and the milder air further south. So the colder air coming in across the far north of Scotland, and during Thursday night and into Friday, it's going to push across us all, and it will feel much colder than it has done on Friday. Sal and John.
Carol, thank you. We're ready for it.
Great.